Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm hoping you all are doing good. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning and we have a great opportunity to thank the God that how blessed we are. So it's some morning time and I'll do little home chores like changing the water of money plant, and you can see the weather, it is little cloudy as well as sunny, so birds are also enjoying the weather. And now I'm going to make the healthy breakfast today. So yesterday night I planned to make the besan mini pancakes, so I'm making that only with very little oil. So meanwhile the batter is on rest, I will clean this countertop space and also jars with normal water. So you can see this space is totally clean. So you can see this space is clean, so I have organized all the jars. Now I'm going to make the mini pancakes. I'll just add the little eno in batter to make the pancakes fluffier. And once it is done, I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan, and then I am putting the batter in this pouring bottle to give the pancakes a good shape. As well, it is easy to make with this bottle. So now the mini pancakes are ready and I'm going to add the tadka in this. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil and then dry and curry leaf along with peanuts also. Once this is sauté, I'll add pancakes and cook it for 2 minutes, and this is ready. I'm also going to prepare the sauté vegetable, so I'm just chopping the onion, carrot, capsicum and tomato. So I'll just add half teaspoon of oil, curry leaf, rye, and then I'll add this chopped vegetable, and I'll add the black pepper and salt. That's it, and cook it for 5 minutes. So this is ready, as well as 1 piece of bread and salad also. So you can see how healthy this breakfast is. So we are going to have this breakfast. I have bought the fresh vegetables and I have already washed them, and water is dry now, so I'm putting this in fridge containers. I have also bought the curry leaves and I'll pluck the curry leaves and then wash it, and once this is dry I will put this in zipper bag for long use. So I'm hoping that you have liked my content. Then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.